Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently short in two positions in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading top down. Starting here on the daily chart, there is a swing low here. This candle back in, what is this? This is about a week and a half or so ago, or a week ago. What is this? Saturdays, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, last Saturday. So right at it like a week ago. This candle here closes below this swing low here, or closes below this short-term low. This creates a market structure shift here, and then price is delivered to the sell side. Price consolidates in this area and pulls back. This here is a fair value gap. So price pulls back into this fair value gap and then delivers to the sell side again. And when it does this, it sweeps out sell side liquidity that's resting in this area. So there was all sell side liquidity resting below here, and then the price delivery algorithm swept that liquidity out of the market with these candles here sweeping out this sell side liquidity. And now you can see that there was pullback here on Thursday, or this is Friday here actually. This is the new crypto day, but it's still Saturday based on New York time, but crypto it is now Sunday. You can see this consolidation area here on the daily chart, and that consolidation area correlates with this consolidation area here on the 60-minute. So these areas are the same. So yesterday my bias was incorrect, and I was trying to trade this long. I was taking longs in this area here, but you can see price never, even though price here there's a market structure shift here. And here, there's a break of structure, making a mess here. Here, this candle here puts in, or this series of candles here puts in a break of structure. So it looks like it wants to trade higher. But since the daily chart is structurally to the short side, it's going to be real difficult for that to happen. And then here we have today where in this area here there's a market structure shift. So let's back up a bit here. Okay. So yesterday this price action right here, this break of structure that I mentioned right here, trades up into equilibrium of this fair value gap. There's a fair value gap here. I'll remove the Fibonacci retracement tool. Here is a fair value gap. And you can see price delivers into that fair value gap and then continues consolidating. Then after that consolidation, this range was formed right here. And then you can see inside of this range, there is a fair value gap right here inside of this range. This is also 3 a.m. New York time, which is the silver bullet time window for the silver bullet ICT methodology. So here with this Fibonacci retracement, trying to get a precision entry here. So a 50% entry, if there is a fair value gap there, which would be here, any of this would be fine to enter in. I actually missed this entry this morning, but it worked out okay that I did miss it. Able to catch an entry at a better price here later. I did take some positions earlier today up in this area here, and then I just voluntarily exited. I'll show you those here in a minute. And this area here is equivalent to this area, or let's just say this. This area here is equivalent to this area here on the 15. So these are equivalent areas. So with this range here, you can see that price action, this is the swing high here of the dealing range that I'm looking for a short off of. You can see price went above that, but there is a $70.10 spread on Bitcoin. So this area here above covers the spread. And you can see if I put my stop loss up, you can see that the spread is covered here. And same thing here, same stop losses. And then for targets, my first target, or you can see stop loss again, is the high, or at least the spread above yesterday's high, which is that swing high. And then for target, targeting sell side liquidity that's resting below this area. This is the low for the month of August. Zoom out a bit. This is the low for the month of August. So there's a liquidity pool resting below here. I want to raid that liquidity pool with the price delivery algorithm. And then here, there's also a liquidity pool resting below this level here, which is July's low. And then there's also a fair value gap right here that has not been traded into. So there's an opportunity to trade for trading into the fair value gap or rebalance. Right now my second position is set for entry into the fair value gap here. So you can see my take profit is right at the edge of the fair value gap. That's where I would look for a price to try to potentially rebound. And then these prices for the first order here, take profit 107 to 11.5, and for the second order, the longer range order, 104 570.8. And then the stop losses are the same for these, which is 109 793.2 that you can see here on the 15-minute chart. And then my history for today, this was the long bias I had. So I shortened my stop and then took an exit. There was a break of structure to the long side that failed right during that 1 a.m. or that 3 a.m. New York silver bullet. It failed, so I took an exit on that failure. And these were the positions that I was attempting this morning before I exited when I sorted out my bias and can see that price was likely pulling back for a better entry. So I exited all those positions. And now currently sitting in the red, but with my position improving here as price is now being delivered to the sell side here. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com. Trade safe, trade together.